Just got my iPhone 4 on a pay-as-you-go from the Apple shop. Cost me $4.99, 16 gig. So let's get this bad boy open. I've had a problem with it already. Just when I bought it, took it to Vodafone to get a SIM card for it, and didn't have any, so kind of gutted about that. But I'm gonna get one soon, so should be up and running. Just trying to figure out how to get into this thing. Difficult. There we go. Don't want to scratch my box. A bit like OCD like that. At least you can see it. So here we go. iPhone 4. It's pretty smart. Right, so let's just whip the lid off this bad boy. And there it is. You can see that. Let's move the camera. The iPhone on the top. Oh. There it is on the back. Needs a bit of a clean, but you know. So you get the iPhone. Put them back down. So we get the iPhone, then we get this little pouchy thing here. Right, stick that in my car when I get it. And you get in here, you get SIM card remover, I think. Get some manuals and the famous Apple logos going on my bike. Yes, there it is. So close it back up again. You also get the adapter, USB adapter, a pair of headphones with the mic and the volume control. I've already got a pair of these, so spare pair. And yeah, a wall adapter, which I've been waiting for my iPod Touch because I lost my other one. So there's that, and then underneath there, is there anything else? I'm not sure. I don't think so. I think that's it in the box. Yeah, so that's about it really. So yeah, here's the iPhone itself. You see, obviously the iPhone 4. Really smart. It's not turned on yet. No, I don't really want to turn it on yet. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. iPhone 4, you can see my head there. Woo! See you later, guys.